Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the best yearbook 2021 for law entrance exams. A lot of you were requesting me, बहुत लोग request कर रहे थे कि दी please buy yearbooks and then tell us which one is the best one for which exam. So this is going to be a video that is going to help 3-year law entrance exam aspirants plus 5-year law entrance exam aspirants. I'm going to tell you that which book is good for which exam and which is the best method, since I'm going to tell you a combination that okay, this and this combination will work for so and so exam. So watch this video. If basic purpose of this video is that we're going to see that which is the best method to cover the previous month's current affairs that you have missed because you've not read the newspaper or you did not follow the monthly current affairs editions. Putting it out there as a disclaimer, guys, obviously reading newspaper or even following the monthly current affairs cannot be compared to an yearbook, because obviously if it is a monthly edition you will get more news to cover, right? But here you are able to cover just the most important news of 2020. Keep that in mind, right? And if you are an aspirant for say 2022 2023 law entrance exams, then I want to tell you, please start reading at least the monthly editions of a good current affairs magazine. Please do not depend on yearbook. And for those who have to do it from yearbook, I'm going to tell you ways, the best ways that you are able to cover a good amount of news right in this video. So yeah, don't be afraid. We'll do it. We'll kill it. Let's get into this video. Yeah, guys, welcome to Loggery. I hope you're subscribed to Loggery's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Loggery. We do pretty motivational stuff out there if you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Loggery, then do follow us on Instagram. We're going to go through Competition Success Yearbook 2021, then we are going to go through Manorama Yearbook 2021, then I have your Pratyogita Darpan Yearbook 2021, then I have your Current Affairs Yearly 2021 yearbook, Competition in Focus by Arihant also. So I'm going to one by one take you through these books, and also I'm going to analyze Tits Bits, which is their ebook version. I'm going to give you a screenshot somewhere on the screen. Talking about Competition Success Yearbook, the book is yeah, it is huge. Can you see kitni moti hai? So yeah, it has covered very important topics only, and these are India burning topics, world burning topics, and we need for law entrance exams, since current affairs एक बहुत ही important part है हमारे exams का, चाहे वो 3-year law entrance exams हैं चाहे वो 5-year law entrance exams हैं, तो this won't be enough. And yeah, हमें I thought that this is such a huge book, कितनी मोटी है, तो इसके अंदर कुछ अच्छा न्यूज़ कवर करा होगा. इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ ही कवर करी हुई है और कुछ नहीं है, बाकी सारा स्टैटिक जीके दिया हुआ है इन्होंने, राइट? ये Next, talking about Manorama Yearbook. Manorama Yearbook is a very famous yearbook, and one of the things that I loved about this yearbook is that in the beginning it has a lot of important articles, right, which can be of great help if you are appearing for symbiosis and you have to write essays. Then yeah, this can be a good book for that. But from current affairs purpose, like if you have really less time, say you are a candidate who has decided within these 15 days and you just have 20 to 25 days to study for this exam, then you might go for this book. Otherwise you should not, because again this book, we need to cover more, we need to cover much more when it comes to current affairs. But yeah, if you say if you just have 10 to 20 days and you have to just cover the important news, then you can go for this. Again, most of the part, like itna part, it is static GK topics like your geography, science and everything, history. So this is till here only there is current affairs. Matlab, it is still better than this. If you have just 10 to 15 days for your current affairs and you have not read newspaper and everything, then you can go for this book, otherwise not. So the next book that we are going to review yearbook is Competition Focus by Arihant. Now the best part about this book is that this book covers all the important news, मतलब important, very important, somewhat less important, सब टाइप की न्यूज़ ये कवर करता है. बट इसकी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि बहुत कम इंफॉर्मेशन ये बुक देती है, राइट. तो ये एक इसका डिसएडवांटेज है, और एडवांटेज मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है. तो ये क्लैट के लिए इतना यूज़फुल नहीं रहेगा, बाकी सारे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स के लिए यू कैन गो फॉर दिस बुक. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस बुक, दैट इज़ प्रतियोगिता दर्पण. सो प्रतियोगिता दर्पण की जो बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि जो भी न्यूज़ इन्होंने कवर करी हुई है वो डिटेल में कवर करी हुई है, बट हाँ बहुत सारी न्यूज़ जो शायद लॉ के पर्पज़ से इम्पॉर्टेंट हो वो इन्होंने मिस आउट करी हुई है. तो वन वे आई कैन हेल्प यू इज़ दैट मैं इस बुक में मैं आपको एक लिस्ट दे सकती हूँ, अपनी वेबसाइट पे एक लिस्ट दे सकती हूँ जो बिल्स एक्ट्स आपको पढ़ लेने चाहिए जिनके बारे में. तो वो मैं आज से 10-15 दिन तक फॉर श्योर बनाकर अपनी वेबसाइट पे, जो कि www.loggery.com है, उस पर अपलोड कर दूँगी. लिंक इस वीडियो के नीचे आपको मिल जाएगा. वो मैं कर सकती हूँ. क्लैट 2021 के लिए 2020 ईयर की जो न्यूज़ है वो कवर करनी है, तो ये मैं बुक ज़्यादा रिकमेंड करूँगी बिकॉज कंपैरेटिवली ज़्यादा न्यूज़ कवर करती है. देखो ये हमें पता चल रहा है ये एक इनकी न्यूज़ है, इनकी ज़्यादा दे आर कवरिंग मच मोर, राइट. ज़्यादा मतलब ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रतियोगिता दर्पण में कवर करी जा रही है. Preparing for AILET, SLAT, Maharashtra CET, BHU, PU or any other, or DU, PU, BHU, Maharashtra CET or any other. Look, basically if you're not preparing for CLAT and you're preparing for any other law entrance exam, be it a 3-year law entrance exam or a 5-year law entrance exam, then this method is going to work for you. I have two options for you. Option number one is that you buy Titbits annual edition and plus you start reading newspaper. Plus for the news of January 2021 till the date of your exam, you should follow a good monthly current affairs magazine, because our news from January 2021 till your exam is important. So we're going to cover that, and obviously your main focus, like if you have to decide which news to cover first, then January 2021 से लेकर के आपका जो अब तक का news है, you will try to cover that first, and then you will be for the previous year's news, that is 2020 ka news, you will depend on Titbits. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages, or the pros and cons of studying from Titbits. Now Titbits is in question answer format, right? It is not that there is a headline and then there are pointers. It is not in that format, whereas most of the yearbooks are in that format, right? So it is in question answer format. So now because it is in question answer format, you have to conduct a background research to understand things, right? I'm going to give you one example that I had noted in my notes here. For example, there was this question: India's first moss garden has been developed at which place? So if you do not know what is a moss, right, if you research about it, then you will be able to understand कि अच्छा moss garden ये होता है, and then you will be able to learn it in a better manner also. So you have to conduct a bit of background research, finding meaning of the words, or finding background or history about topics that you don't know, so that you are able to learn things easily. I hope you are able to get what I'm trying to tell you. Then next is has information in a format that you are able to learn most important points or most expected questions from a topic. Now, a lot of you come up to me and tell me that okay, fine, we're reading your book, but we don't really know that what we have to learn and what we don't have to learn, right? Very good question. Obviously, it is difficult to find it out in the beginning. And if you are studying from Titbits, since it is in question answer format, so you get to know that, okay, fine, this is something that I have to learn. So if you are not aware, if you're completely new to current affairs, then I think Titbits should be the option. But again, it is difficult to learn question answer format thing. And question answer के अंदर भी ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक question में बस एक news होगा. They try to cull out like 3 to 4 questions from the news, and they try to cover most of the information, the important information. So it is best for 3-year law entrance exams and even 5-year law entrance exams like that of SLAT, PU, BHU, Maharashtra CET. Now you need to mug up things as not much information is available. Now with news, one of the most difficult part is learning. And that is why I always say that even if you do not have the time to make notes, if you read newspaper, the best part would be that you will be able to understand news. Because if you have read it in the newspaper, and you know, newspaper tends to give you every information, useful, useless, everything is there. So you have a better understanding, right? But here you have just the minimal information. So that's why if you are using Tidbits, it's a good book, good yearbook. But it is advisable that if you are saying that okay, I'll cover say 5 to 6 pages a day, and moreover it is ebook version, has around like 5 parts having 30 pages each. I received it in my email and you cannot forward it. So if you are thinking that oh, I'll ask my friend to buy it and then he or she would forward it to me, you cannot forward it. You can read it there only, right? So Tidbits is one option, and yes, you have ebook version available. Axiomupdate.com is the website. If I'm not wrong, I'll leave the link to the website in the description box. This is not a sponsored video, but yeah, this is what is about. This is one method that you can adopt. Now what if you think that question answer format is not for me, I cannot learn like this, I need a book from wherein the information is given in a proper format, that is what I need, then I have option number 2 for you. Option number 2, now instead of going for Tidbits, what you can do is you can go for either Competition in Focus, which is by Arihant, or you can go for Pratyogita Darpan. Talking about Competition in Focus and Pratyogita Darpan, now Competition in Focus covers almost every news, like a lot is covered as compared to Pratyogita Darpan. But in Pratyogita Darpan, you will find only the important news, number one. And number two, Pratyogita Darpan gives more information about the news that is there as compared to Competition in Focus, that is by Arihant. Now it is on you to decide, right? If you're not going for Tidbits, then I think one of the best books for you can be Competition in Focus also, if you go for a background study, right? If you're not interested in conducting a background study, then go for Pratyogita Darpan and just cover whatever is there in the book, right? Now the next thing is, obviously again our main focus is January 2021 till like 2021 का news हमारा main focus रहेगा. Start reading newspaper. If you're not making notes, that's completely fine, and also follow monthly editions. Now when you read newspaper, it is easier to understand the news again because you're following the news and you'll see that every day there is somewhat same news. There's an update, there's more information, right? A news which is important is discussed again and again and again, in different formats, right? That's the best part about newspaper, because you're able to cover more and ultimately somewhat about the news, and when it is there in your current affairs monthly edition, you're able to learn it very quickly, right? Now the next is that which monthly current affairs edition you should, or magazine you should go for. You can go for Pratyogita Darpan, you can go for GK Today, you can go for IS Vision, any, whichever works for you, you can go for that. Right, now let me tell you about GK Today, IS Vision. The best part about GK Today is that they give you a 15 days ka PDF, and which can be covered if you are covering simultaneously. It's not that you can collect 6 months ka GK Today ka PDFs and you can study. No, you cannot. That is really impossible. A lot of students try to do that and they fail incredibly. So if you have to cover simultaneously, then you can go for GK Today. But if you do not have to cover simultaneously, then you can go for Pratyogita Darpan, News and Events, and there are a lot many magazines, right? So yeah, Competition in Focus, as I told you, covers almost every important topic, but is not having much information related to that topic. Pratyogita Darpan covers only the most important information, but it gives more information with regard to the topics that are there, right? So if you can conduct background, if you just want to know that okay, what is the important news, I can read like say 10 pages a day and then conduct a background research for them, then you can go for Competition in Focus, or you can also go for Pratyogita Darpan. They are almost the same, but yeah, I have told you the difference. Preparing for CLAT, then what you should do. The first option for CLAT aspirants is that what you do is monthly editions of any monthly magazine from June 2020 to the date of the exam. That is from June 2020 till the date of the exam in 2021. You read monthly current affairs magazines, right? Monthly current affairs magazine. Now please do not go for GK today in such cases, because GK today is a bulky, has bulkier editions. You can go for News and Events, Pratyogita Darpan, or any news magazine which is not that bulky, right? Go for a magazine which is not bulky, जिसका monthly edition bulkier नहीं है, right? Now, if you do not want to adopt this method, then what you can do is you can go for Pratyogita Darpan's yearbook, wherein you can cover your 2020 news. अब तो बात करते हैं 2021 के news की, which is really important from CLAT perspective and other law entrance exams perspective. 2021 का news should be our main focus. If you have missed out on 2020 का news, right? So you should go for monthly editions from January 2021. News magazine का monthly edition पढ़ोगे. Plus, you're also going to read newspaper. Guys, please start reading newspaper. If you cannot make notes, it's okay. I've told you that how you can create revising material. आप कैसे अपनी मैं आपको बता ही देती हूँ कैसे आप अपनी जो मंथली करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन है उसके अंदर ही आप मार्क कर लीजिए, आप लिख लीजिए, सो दैट आपके पास एक रिवाइजिंग का सोर्स हो, ठीक है ना? बिकॉज अगर आपको लर्न करना है करंट अफेयर्स, सो यू हैव टू रिवाइज अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन. सो इफ यू कैनॉट मेक नोट्स, इट्स completely fine. You can just make notes in your monthly current affairs magazine. But newspaper padhna hai, because newspaper makes our life easy. We are able to learn, we are able to remember easily when we read newspaper, because then you know about the news, right? Okay. And एक सोचो, अपने आप भी सोचो तुम, मुझे पता है तुम लोगों में बहुत कॉमन सेंस है. अगर हम हम दिन में 5 to 10 न्यूज़ पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है, और कहाँ हम 200 न्यूज़ 250 न्यूज़ एक साथ पढ़ रहे हैं मंथ के एंड में, और कहाँ हम 10 to 15 न्यूज़ हर रोज़ पढ़ रहे हैं. what will be easier? Reading 10 to 15 news every day, and then when you read it together you will be able to relate, right? How to learn current affairs from yearbook, from current affairs मैगजीन, ये जो मंथली मैगजीन होती है उसमें से कैसे यू हैव टू लर्न. दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस कि कैसे याद करें, हम तो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. लुक, लाइक आई हैव डन, आई हैव डिवाइडेड माय प्रतियोगिता दर्पण और माय ईयरबुक बाय पुटिंग flags. I have divided the sections, the different sections. We have bill and acts, defense, international, important concepts, miscellaneous, environment, economy, budget. I have put flags, so that gives me confidence ki, okay, fine, if I complete one section I'll be able to complete the next. And also one more important tip that I want to give you here is that please try to cover your national should be your priority. National news in an yearbook, national, international, economy. Also your legal news should be the priority. If there is a different section, most of the yearbooks cover your legal news in national and international only, right? This should be your priority somewhere. Awards and honors also. So this should be your order of preference, and then going for the other sections like that of technology, science and everything, defense, even defense is important for that matter. So yeah, you need to cover your national, international and legal first, and then and economy, and then you need to cover the other sections, right? I hope you're getting. So dividing the sections with a flag, that really helps. Next is mark the important pointers in your yearbook itself. Mark things, use a pencil, use a pen, try to write down with your short notes ki kya hai, so that you can revise easily. Next is either put a post-it ऐसा सा कुछ होता है, post-it लगा लो, या फिर you can paste pages in between, white चीज लगा के उसमें तुम notes बना सकते हो. अगर post-it से कर सकते हो तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. If not post-it, then you can put in pages, right? Next is write and learn. Try to write and learn when you're reading the news for the first time. In your rough notebook, write and learn. That also helps. Search about the term about which you do not know to have a better understanding. Look, I can really understand that why studying from an yearbook or from a monthly current affair magazine is difficult. Here comes my point that reading newspaper helps, but now you cannot read the newspaper of the previous years. So what you can do is you need to conduct a background research, and don't be afraid. Just keep your focus that मुझे इतने टाइम में मुझे at least 5 pages पढ़ने हैं हर रोज, या 7 to 8 pages हर रोज पढ़ने हैं एंड उस न्यूज़ की मुझे बैकग्राउंड स्टडी कर कर कहीं पे नोट करनी है, या तो वहाँ पे शीट्स लगा के नोट करनी है या सेपरेट नोटबुक में, जो भी करना है वो करो आप, ठीक है। अगर आप नहीं भी नोट करना चाहते, अगर आप बैकग्राउंड के बारे में पढ़ लोगे ना न्यूज़ की, तो आपको बहुत ईजिली समझ में आ जाएगा, राइट। रिवाइज अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन। नाउ हाउ टू कवर इज ऑब्वियसली यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ शेड्यूल दैट आप कितने पेजेस कवर करेंगे, ठीक है ना, पर डे। पेजेस पर डे कितने कवर करेंगे, पेजेस पर डे का आप शेड्यूल बनाओगे। एंड ऑब्वियसली मैं तो अगेन वही कहूँगी, ऑन वीकेंड्स रिवाइज, प्लीज कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग। इफ यू डू नॉट रिवाइज यू वोंट बी एबल टू रिमेंबर द न्यूज़ एंड योर मेन फोकस, द मोस्ट important news is of 2021, from January 2021 till the exam takes place. That is the most important news. So पहले वो कवर करना है, पहले हमने जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल के मंथली एडिशंस कवर करने हैं, देन वी विल बी गोइंग टू 2020। अपना स्केड्यूल आपने ऐसे बनाना है, ओके।